Hey, Ella.
Hey, Tom.
And hey, everybody playing Artemis Cosmos. This is a training video for the engineering console.
Before we get started, a few housekeeping notes. In the upper left-hand corner, you will see the ship status as well as the options button. For the options button, refer to your GM. They will tell you what you need to know.
Over here on the upper right, we also have an upgrade button. It looks really cool and everything, but again, why don't you talk to your game master about it?
The best engineers listen carefully to their crew and adjust settings accordingly. Your captain and crew may still ask you to boost power systems.
So, what is all this stuff on the screen, Ella?
First, we have our power bars. Each of these power bars belongs to one system that you can control. Then above it, we have our coolant systems, as well as heat indicators next to them. The coolant system will allow you to apply coolant to each of your systems.
And this big grid thing here?
The grid is the internals of the ship. Shows you where all the vital systems and extra rooms are, as well as the location of your DAMCOM teams. And on the far right-hand side, you can see the conditions of your DAMCOM teams, as well as you have a handy-dandy E-pad to control what exactly you see on your grid. But we'll get to that later.
What's this on the bottom, Ella?
Those are presets. Engineering presets are used to store and recall your power bar and coolant system settings. Ask your GM about engineering presets and if they have been pre-programmed.
The important thing with engineering is that you power the ship. As you add power to systems, they change how the system works, and they also overheat the system, requiring you to add coolant to counteract the heat. So, okay, I'll start with this and we can go through each one.
Okay.
When you overcharge beams, that means beams hit harder. At the cost of heat and power, you'll do more damage to the enemy.
When you overcharge torpedoes, that'll cause your torpedo tubes to load faster and more efficiently.
And they'll unload faster too, won't they?
Yes, they will.
Impulse can be overcharged to provide higher speed when you're not at the high warp levels.
Speaking of warp, overcharging warp will let you go fast.
That's what it's all about. Maneuver is about turning. When you crank up the maneuver, that means your ship will literally turn faster. As you can tell, it adds heat.
Overpowering your sensors will allow science to scan faster and can give you vital information.
I think this will also let science see even farther, won't it?
You are right, it will.
And this front shield is going to make the shield stronger when you overcharge it for enemies shooting at you from the front. And also, it'll make the shield recover more quickly.
Rear shield, same as the first. Engineering will have a keyboard. The only thing you need the keyboard for are for two things, the spacebar and the enter key. Hit the spacebar, all of your power will reset to 100. If you hit the enter key, that'll reset your coolant to 0, so you can quickly add more coolant to other systems that are overheating.
And Ella, what do all these symbols on the ship grid mean?
So, green symbols are systems, like shields, warp engines, impulse engines, maneuvers, and sensors. Your DAMCOM teams are also represented on the grid. They are represented by numbers and by color.
Ella, what do these DAMCON parties even do?
They fix your ship.
Whoa, that's a lot.
It is indeed, but they are good at it. Your DAMCOM teams start off in autonomous mode, meaning that they will fix the nearest damage to them.
Ella, we've got damage.
on, Tom. We gotta assign some workers to that damage. Click on the damaged system that you would like to repair. You'll see assign DC 2, 3, and 1. You can click on it, click on which team you want to assign to that damage, and they will take priority. You can assign multiple work orders to multiple teams, and they will do them in order. In the heat of battle, damage can overwhelm you. Click on your E-pad and change the rooms to circles to make a clearer view of the grid.
Ella, it looks like the damage control parties are how you fix things.
That is exactly right, Tom. Sometimes the damage control teams will need help repairing themselves. Each DAMCOM team starts with 6 members, but they might be in harm's way, and if they get injured, they will turn red. One way to fix it is to quickly find a station. Once you dock with a station, you will get new DAMCOM teams. Another way is to go to sickbay. If you assign them to idle at sickbay, they will eventually replenish themselves.
And these guys appear to be tired and hungry and weak. What do you do about that, Ella?
I'm glad you asked, Tom. If they are hungry, you can set them to the crew mess. Click on the room and then set rally point, and you'll set a rally point for each DAMCOM team. If your DAMCOM teams are weak, you can send them to the gymnasium. And if they are tired, you can send them to their crew quarters. Your DAMCOM teams are good, but they can be better. This will make them more efficient, and they will repair damaged systems more quickly.
Like with the radar on other stations, you can click and drag to see different parts of the ship grid. And with a mouse wheel, you can zoom in and zoom out. If you're not sure how to get back and see everything, this little symbol on the bottom will always recenter your ship grid.
Thanks, Tom.
Well, thank you, Ella.
And that is engineering. Now go save the galaxy.